Everyone, there is a mega competition of translation today in the class, and we have you can see on the stage over here, 15 students are standing, and they claim that they can translate any sentence without making a single mistake. So everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So you claim that you don't make any mistake?
Yes, sir.
Literally, you can translate any sentence confidently.
Yes, sir.
We have, what's your name?
Hassan Khan.
Hassan Khan. Your name? Aditi. Hassan, come forward. Aditi, come forward. So this is the mic. And Hassan and Aditi, there is a competition between both of you. In which class do you study?
I'm studying in 9th.
9th.
I'm recently promoted in 7th class.
You have been promoted in 7th?
Yes.
Okay, so Aditi from 7th standard and Hassan from 9th class. And let's see who is going to win today. Everyone, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, मुझे बोलना पड़ता है?
I have to speak.
मैं बोलना चाहता
I
हूँ.
want to speak.
आप कैसे बोलोगे?
How will you speak?
कैसे
How
बोलोगे?
will you speak?
मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसे
I
बोलूँगा.
don't know how will I speak.
वो क्या है?
What is this? What is that?
What is that? ये क्या है?
What is this?
मुझे नहीं पता ये क्या है.
I don't know what is this.
मुझे जाने दो क्योंकि मैं लेट हो रहा
Let
हूँ.
me go because I'm getting late.
बिना परमिशन के मैं आपको नहीं
I
जाने दे
can let you
सकता.
go without permission.
क्या आप वहाँ जाने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to go there?
मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा लेकिन मेरी एक शर्त है.
I will go there but I have a condition.
आपकी शर्त क्या है?
What's your condition?
मेरी शर्त है कि आपको भी मेरे साथ चलना
My
पड़ेगा.
condition is that you will have to go with me.
My condition is that you will have to go with me. मैं आपके साथ नहीं जा सकता.
I cannot go with you.
I can't go with you. मैं वहाँ जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं हूँ.
I'm not ready to go there.
I'm not ready to go there. क्या आप बोलते हो?
Do you speak? Do you speak?
क्या आप बोलोगे?
Will you speak?
क्या आपने बोला?
Did you speak?
आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
आप क्या कर रहे हो अभी?
What are you doing now?
मैं अभी पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ.
I'm studying now.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी.
I will have to speak.
I will have
to
to
study.
क्या आप सुनते हो?
Do you listen?
क्या आप सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे हो?
Are you trying to listen?
Are you trying to listen? Have it. मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
I have to
I will
speak.
have to speak.
I will have to speak. मुझे जाना पड़ेगा.
I will have to go there.
मैं जाऊँगा.
I will go.
मुझे जाना पड़ता है.
I have to go.
क्या आपको बोलना पड़ता
Do
है?
you
I have to speak.
Do you have to speak? हाँ, मुझे बोलना पड़ता
Yes, I
है.
have to speak.
मुझे बोलने की जरूरत
I
है.
need to speak.
मेरे पास समय नहीं
I
है.
don't have time.
क्या आपके पास समय
Do you have
है?
time?
क्या आपने सोचा?
Did you think?
Did you think?
क्या आपने इस बारे में सोचा?
Did you think about this?
मैं इस बारे में नहीं सोचता.
I don't think about this.
मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
I have to speak.
क्या आप तैयार थे?
Were you ready?
क्या बोलने के लिए तैयार
Were you ready to speak?
Okay, fine. Both are absolutely right. But audience, it's up to you whom you are going to select. What do you think? Chaliye, now Aditi, you come over here. Hassan, you did great job here. Okay, now in the next round we have. आप दोनों आओ. You two are friends, right? But there is a competition between both of you, and let's see who is the best translator. And I'm a bit confused that who's going to win because you two are extraordinary brilliant, no doubt. So can we have the competition?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, it will be very difficult for all of us to judge that who is the best one because these two girls are extraordinary translator. They don't make any mistake while talking, while speaking. So let's begin. The competition is going to be very tagda. So can we have?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's begin. मैं जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to go.
कहाँ?
Where?
Where? आप कहाँ जाना चाहते
Where you
हो?
want to go?
मैं कहीं नहीं जाना चाहता.
I don't want to go anywhere.
क्यों?
Why?
मैं इसलिए नहीं जाना चाहता क्योंकि मुझे यहाँ रहना पसंद है.
I don't want to go because I like to stay here.
आप यहाँ क्यों रहना चाहते हो?
Why do you want to stay here?
मुझे क्लास में रहना पसंद है इसलिए
I
मैं यहाँ
like
रहना
to
चाहता
stay
हूँ.
in the class. That's why I want to be here.
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You should speak.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा.
You will have to speak.
सर मैं बोल नहीं पाता हूँ, यही तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम है.
Sir, I'm not able to speak. That's my problem.
सर आई एम अनएबल टू स्पीक, दैट्स माई प्रॉब्लम. आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, दैट्स माई प्रॉब्लम. इसीलिए तो मैंने पर्सोना ज्वाइन किया है.
That's why I have joined Persona.
आपको पता है मैं यहाँ 15 डेज से आ रहा हूँ.
Do you know that I have been coming here for 15 days?
मैं अपने आप 15 दिन यहाँ कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ.
I have completed my 15 days.
मैंने
here.
15 डेज में बहुत कुछ सीखा है.
I have learned many things. I have learned a lot in this.
नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू द इंटरोगेटिव वन. ओके, आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आप क्या करते रहते हो?
What do you keep doing?
मैं हमेशा बोलते रहता हूँ.
I keep speaking.
आई ऑलवेज कीप स्पीकिंग. आपको हमेशा बोलते रहना चाहिए.
You should always keep speaking.
आपको यहाँ आना पड़ेगा.
You will have to come
आपको
here.
यहाँ आते रहना चाहिए.
You should keep coming
आपको
here.
बोलने की जरूरत है.
You need to speak.
आपको बोलना पड़ेगा.
You will have
आप
to
बोल
speak.
सकते हो.
You can
आप
speak.
बोल रहे हो.
You are
मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
speaking. I am
मैं
speaking.
बोलूंगा.
I will speak.
आई विल स्पीक. क्या बोलोगे?
Will you speak?
क्या बोल सकते हो?
Can you speak?
क्या आपके पास बोलने के लिए समय है?
Do you have time to speak?
हाँ, मेरे पास बोलने के लिए समय है.
Yes, I have time to
मुझे
speak.
जाने दो.
Let me go.
मुझे जाने दो क्योंकि मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
Let me go because I am getting late.
लेट मी गो बिकॉज आई एम गेटिंग लेट. आप कहाँ जाओगे?
Where will you go?
आप क्या करोगे?
What do you
आप
do?
क्या करते हो?
What do you
आपने
do?
क्या देखा?
What did you see?
आपने क्या देख सकते हो?
What can you see?
आप क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Why are you speaking?
इस कमरे में कितने फैन हैं?
How many fans are there in this room?
मुझे नहीं पता इस कमरे में कितने फैन हैं.
I don't know how many fans are there.
मुझे लगता है इस कमरे में 10 फैन हैं.
I think that there are 10 fans
10 fans in this room. आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you
आपने क्या
doing?
किया?
What did you
आपने
do?
क्या बोला?
What did
आप
you
क्या
say?
बोलोगे?
What
आप
did
क्या
you
बोल
say?
सकते हो?
What can you
मुझे
say?
सोचने दो.
Let me think.
मैं कंफ्यूज हूँ कि आप में से ज्यादा अच्छा कौन है?
I am confused that what who is better with you.
बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ यू मुझे लगता है आप दोनों अच्छे हो,
I think that you both are good.
लेकिन किसी एक को तो हमें चुनना होगा.
But we have to choose one.
और मुझे नहीं पता वो कौन है.
And I don't know who is that.
Who is that? मुझे लगता है कि अवनी ओमी से ज़्यादा अच्छी है.
I think that Avni is better than Omi.
नहीं, अवनी ओमी से उतनी अच्छी नहीं जितनी अवनी है.
I don't think that Omi is as better
As good as अवनी. क्या आप बोलते हो?
Do you speak?
क्या बोलोगे?
Will you
क्या
speak?
बोल रहे हो?
Are you speaking?
आपको बोलना चाहिए.
You
मैं
should.
बोलूंगा, मैं बोल
I
सकता हूँ.
will
मुझे
speak.
बोलने की
I will
जरूरत है.
speak.
मेरे
I
पास
will
समय
speak.
नहीं है.
I
मुझे
will
जाने दो. मैं लेट हो रहा हूँ.
Because I'm getting late.
Okay, clapping for both the girls. Wow, extraordinary, brilliant. Yeah, your name?
My name is Rishika Patel.
Rishika Patel.
Yes, sir.
And the next we have
Anushka Bind.
Anushka Bind,
Aradhya Kaushinde.
Aradhya Gausinde. So let's see among these three extraordinary girls who is the brilliant one. Okay, हमारी audience तैयार है? Yes, sir. सच्ची मुच्ची? Yes, sir. Okay, so let's start the competition. मैं जाना चाहता हूँ.
I want to go.
आप इंग्लिश क्यों सीखना चाहते
I
हो?
don't want to learn English.
इस दुनिया में कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है.
There is nothing impossible in this world.
There is nothing impossible in this world. जो आप सोचते हो वो आप कर सकते हो.
What do you think you can do it?
What do you think you can do it? बोलो.
What you think?
What do you think you can do it? आपके लिए सब कुछ आसान है.
Everything is easy for you.
मेरे लिए सब कुछ आसान है.
Everything is easy for me.
मैं जानता हूँ मेरे लिए कुछ भी कठिन नहीं है इस दुनिया
I
में.
know that nothing is impossible for me.
क्या आपको लगता है इस काम को 2 दिन में किया जा सकता है?
Do you think that this work can be done within 2 days?
मुझे नहीं लगता इस काम को 2 दिन में किया जा सकता
I
है.
don't think that this work can be done within 2 days.
इस काम को करने में 2 महीने लगेंगे. It will take
It will take 2 months
to complete this work. इस काम को मुझे करने में 2 महीने नहीं लगेंगे. मैं इस काम को 2 दिन में कर दूंगा.
This work
I will not take 2 months to complete this work. I will complete this work within
10 days.
2 days. मेरे लिए कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है.
Nothing is impossible for
मैं
me.
बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता
I have
है.
to
मैं
speak.
बोलूंगा.
I will
आप
speak.
कहाँ दे?
Where
आप
are
क्या
you?
चाहते हो?
What do you
क्या आपके
want?
पास बैग है?
Do you have
मेरे
bag?
पास 4 बैग है.
I have two
मैं एक
bags.
बैग आपको दे सकता हूँ यदि
I
आप
can
चाहो
give
तो.
you one. I can give you one if you want.
If you want. मैं आपका बैग नहीं लेना चाहता क्योंकि मेरे पास ऑलरेडी 10 बैग है.
I don't want your bag because I have already 10 bags.
I don't want your bag because I have already got 10 bags. आप कहाँ रहते हो?
Where do you live?
आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you
आप
want?
इंग्लिश क्यों सीख रहे हो?
Why are you learning
मेरी इंग्लिश कमजोर है और मैं हिंदी मीडियम से इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
My English is 6 and I am from Hindi medium. That's why I am learning English.
मैं अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करना चाहता हूँ.
I want to improve my
मैं
English.
इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में एडमिशन लेना चाहता हूँ इसलिए मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
I want to take admission in English medium school. That's why I am improving.
क्या आप इंग्लिश सीखोगे?
Will you learn
क्या आप
English?
इंग्लिश बोलोगे?
Will you
क्या आप
speak
इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो?
English?
क्या आप इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो?
Will you
क्या आप
speak
जाओगे?
English?
क्या आप जा
Will you
सकते हो?
go?
क्या मैं
Will
जा
you
सकता हूँ?
go?
क्या आपके पास समय है?
Do you
क्या आप
have-
सोचते हो?
Do you think?
डू यू थिंक? क्या आप बोलते हो?
Do you
क्या आप
think?
अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचते हो?
Do you think about
क्या
your future?
आप बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to speak?
क्या आप बोलने के लिए तैयार हो?
Are you ready to speak?
Are you ready to speak? I'm a bit confused. Everyone, 30 सेकंड के लिए रैपिड फायर राउंड. Getting? Okay, मुझे जाना है. मैं जाऊंगा. मुझे जाने दो. आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
अभी आप कहाँ हो?
Where are you now?
ये क्या है?
What is this?
आपके पास क्या है?
What do you have?
सोचो जो आपको सोचना हो.
Think what you have, whatever you want.
Think what you have to think. बोलो जो आपको बोलना हो.
Speak whatever you need.
Speak what you have to speak. करो जो आपको करना हो.
Do what you have to do.
Do what you have to do. मुझे बोलना है.
I have
मुझे
to
बोलना
speak.
था.
I have
मैं
to
जा रहा हूँ.
speak.
मैं
I
जाऊंगा.
will
मैं जा
go.
सकता हूँ.
I
मुझे
can
जाना
go.
पड़ेगा.
I will have to go.
I will have to go. लिखने की कोशिश करो.
Try to write.
बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
मैं बोलता हूँ.
I
मैं
speak.
सुन सकता हूँ.
I listen.
Okay, that's great. A good clapping for all. You are looking so excited today. What's your name?
My name is Yug Patel.
Yug Patel. So you think you can translate anything confidently if I
Yes,
ask
sir.
you? So Yug Patel is looking very excited. You come forward. Come over here. Come on. And to challenge the Yug, I'm going to call. Yes. What's your name?
My name is Janvi.
Janvi. You think you can defeat Yug?
Yes, sir.
In translation?
Yes, sir.
In which class do you study?
I am recently promoted in 7th standard.
And Yug, you are?
I have recently promoted in 7th standard.
You two are in 7th standard, everyone. We have two students, Yug Patel from 7th class and Janvi from 7th class. And let's see who is going to win. So you two are ready to translate?
Yes, sir.
Just come closer. Yeah. Let's start. मैं सोचता हूँ,
I think-
मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
मुझे बोलना पड़ता
I
है.
have to speak.
I have to speak. मुझे जाना पड़ता
I
है.
have to go.
मैं जा रहा हूँ.
I am going.
आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? Audience, आपको वोटिंग करना, दोनों में से कौन सबसे बेस्ट है? मैं सोचता हूँ,
I think-
मेरे पास समय नहीं है वहाँ जाने के लिए.
I don't have time to go there.
आपके पास क्या था?
What did you have? What had you have?
What did you have? मेरे पास कुछ नहीं था.
I don't have nothing. I didn't have nothing.
I didn't have nothing कि I didn't have anything.
I didn't have anything.
Okay, मैं बोलता हूँ,
I
मुझे
speak.
बोलना पड़ता है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, मैं बोल रहा था. आप कहाँ थे?
Where were you?
Where were you? आप क्या चाहते हो?
What do you want?
What do you want? मैं कुछ नहीं चाहता.
I don't want nothing.
मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा.
I will have to speak.
I will have to speak. मुझे कॉलेज जाना पड़ेगा.
I will have to go to college.
सोचने की, बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
बोलना आसान है, लिखना कठिन है.
It is easy to speak but hard to write.
It is easy to speak but hard to write. Okay, दौड़ना आसान है.
It is easy to run.
It's easy to run. Running is easy. बोलने की कोशिश करो.
Try to speak.
मैं बोल पाता हूँ.
I speak.
I'm able to speak. मैं लिख पाता हूँ.
I am able to write.
क्या आपने लिखने की कोशिश की?
Did you try to write?
Did you try to write? Okay, audience. I think you have understood. Okay, so Janvi and Yug, you two have tried very well, no doubt. Clapping for both. Wow.